Welcome to all viewers and To the Point with IQ. It's a comprehensive series of import-export management with shipping for both professional and non-professional viewers. Today's topic is the third part of the Import-Export Policy 2022 under COVID-19. This part also referred Module 1 of International Trade Financing and Economics, which already been described in my previous videos. Before get started, just click the bell icon and subscribe the channel to get new upcoming videos on this channel. Viewers, you know that earlier we had explained the Trade or Business Continuity Plan policy rules of import and export management under COVID-19. In the second part we had elaborate 7 out of 12 policy rules. If you missed out the second part, I reckon you must have to see it first, then you can catch up the further proceeding presented on this third part of the topic. Number 4. Contract Management. An exporter and a buyer negotiate together. At some point there is a meeting of minds, their discussion becomes an agreement with important legal consequences for both sides. Unfortunately, the quarantine has negatively affected many people's finances. Even when the quarantine is over, customers may feel hesitant to spend money on anything that isn't a necessity. Rule number 8. Offering trade discounts and services. You can entice your customers to convert, and support them in a time of need, by offering limited time discounts or subscriber content. Start planning now to develop a creative discount strategy that will help convince customers to re-engage your business once quarantine ends. All you know very well that the local laws and regulations takes precedence over all contracts. Number 9. Respect the rules of law. If any federal or provincial government body taken any preventive measures or notification under COVID-19, which averts or disrupts your ability to perform your obligations under the contract, notify the other party immediately, while fully complying with the law. Today business continuation is a challenge for international trading business. Especially with the current state of affairs we need to emphasize on trade continuation policy and make it a right plan for them. Rule number 10. Business Continuity Planning. In the event of any disaster or a pandemic, such as COVID-19, if your contract allows you to invoke BCP, it should be done within the defined levels and timelines of the contract. If you are not able to meet these levels and deadlines, request formal approval from the other contracting party to amend these deadlines. Number 5. Preparing import and export documents. Import-export documentation has been very similar all over the globe. Like commercial invoice, bill of lading, or airway bill, certificate of origin, and packing list, etc. Rule number 11. Attached additional test reports and product labels. Especially in the current pandemic situation, we must attach the QC test reports and anti-COVID packing labels to ease the clearance under COVID-19. Number 6. Port and shipping management. Distributors and retailers are facing various challenges, including inventory shortages and supply chain difficulties, which are causing delays in deliveries and disrupting cross-border trade activities. Rule number 12. Alternative destinations for shipment. The impact on the distribution sector, including its online segment, may differ across economies, as a result of different approaches to lockdown policies. Alternative destinations for shipment can reduce the margin of risk, both for importers and exporters. We will discuss this procedure in my later videos under Port and Shipping Management Module 14. Now concluding the third part of the Business Continuity Plan, as a conclusion we have finally 12 business continuity policy rules to consolidate our import-export business under COVID-19. Some of these rules will be more described on my latest videos, but the current objective is to convert the main core idea to how we can develop and summarize the import-export policy under COVID-19. Now, today this is the end of this video. Thanks all of you for joining us. I hope you relished it very well. Keep me up on your suggestions. I will try my little best to make all upcoming videos more precise and of course, to the point. And finally, if you have any question about import-export management with shipping, no matter if you have already engaged with import-export business or you have just looked into it, write to me in your comment box. I will crack the queries on my later videos. Click the bell icon and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. God bless you all.